back to Luxuriant Curls channel. In this video, I'm going to show you my moisturizing routine, so let's get started. First thing I add to my hair is my shea butter mixture. Shea butter is great for softening and moisturizing my hair. My shea butter mixture is a mixture of whipped hair butter by Curls Dynasty, regular shea butter, and other hair oils. Hair butters are usually thick in consistency, so that's why I'm applying it to my hair first. When I use it in conjunction with my other moisturizers, it doesn't leave my hair greasy or heavy. Just so you know, my hair has been washed, conditioned, and detangled. Never try to moisturize your natural hair on dry hair. Doing so would make it difficult for the products to penetrate the hair shaft, and the butters and creams would just sit on your hair, leaving behind a greasy residue. Next, I add the Maui Moisture Coconut Oil Curl Smoothie. This moisturizing conditioner also softens my hair by smoothing out my hair cuticles. It contains coconut oil, which loosens any knots that is sure to form with my hair texture. I'm applying every product from root to tip. Make sure you apply the products in one direction and stretch your hair as well. Applying the products this way eliminates frizz and stretches out the shrinkage. This is a new product I'm trying, Miche leave-in conditioner. I'm not really fond of leave-in conditioners because they tend to not work well on my hair, but I'm trying to finish off this product. When choosing products, I tend to gravitate towards products that are somewhat natural and are free from mineral oils, petroleum, and any other ingredient I deem unworthy of being used on my hair. And of course, the oil. This is growth oil by Main Choice. The oil seals in that moisture. Just an FYI, besides the shea butter and growth oil, the other products are fairly new products that I'm using, but my routine is pretty much the same with whatever product I'm using. I'm untwisting my hair to add the last product. I want to make sure the product saturates evenly throughout my hair. The last and final product I add is the Monoi Repairing Anti-Breakage Spray by Carol's Daughter. This product is great to decrease breakage and split ends. I absolutely love this spray. And that's it. And now a side-by-side visual. I'm going to take down the side that hasn't been moisturized yet so you can see the difference between the sides. I'm having a difficult time taking down the twist, which is a good indication of my hair needing a trim. As you can see, the side that hasn't been moisturized yet has no sheen. It's difficult for me to rake my fingers through it, and the hair shrinkage is very noticeable. The moisturized side is a lot easier to rake my fingers through and has some sheen to it. My curls are elongated a bit, which makes blow drying go a lot faster. And that's pretty much it. My hair will remain moisturized throughout whatever style I'm going to do. Moisturized natural hair equals healthy natural hair. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.